Introducing SentiInsurances, your smart AI assistant for navigating insurance services. SentiInsurances allows you to easily access policy details and check premium due dates, ensuring you stay on top of your payments. You can securely update contact information, explore personalized insurance offers, and track your claims in real time. Experience hassle-free insurance management with SentiInsurances. SentiInsurances connects to an external database to quickly retrieve essential policy details like your policy name, total coverage, premium amounts, and payment dates. With all your information instantly accessible, you can stay informed and in control of your insurance at all times. Filing an insurance claim has never been easier. Integrated with Jira, the bot allows you to submit claims directly. Once filed, you can track the status of your claim in real time, ensuring you're always up to date. Whether submitting a new claim or following up, SentiInsurances makes the process smooth and transparent. With SentiInsurances, updating your personal details such as name, surname, or phone number is fast and secure. Any changes made through the bot are automatically updated in our database, ensuring your information is always accurate and up to date without manual paperwork. Our bot uses retrieval-augmented generation technology to find the best insurance coverage options for you. By scanning through our policy documentation, the bot identifies offers tailored to your specific requirements. Whether you are looking for a particular policy or want a plan that suits your needs, SentiInsurances delivers the right option, personalized just for you. Within our platform, you can also use voice capabilities. VoiceBot ready to handle your infoline needs with ease and efficiency. Transform text interactions into seamless voice support.
Hello. Welcome to SentiInsurances. My name is Anthony and I'm your AI assistant. How can I assist you today?
What's my next premium due date?
Sure, I can help you with that. Please provide your ID number. It has 5 digits.
It's 56304.
Thank you. Let me retrieve your details. Here is your next premium due date, the 22nd of August, 2026. How else can I assist you today?
Simplify your insurance management with SentiInsurances, your personal AI assistant for staying informed, protected, and in control. If you're interested, schedule a demo with our team. You can find the link to the form in the description below. See you soon!